Cabanag, naagaw ni Ian Pardo. He is ahead. Cabanag giving chase. Tayong Tong. Knocks it off. Naagaw ni Noel Santos. Nag-enjoy nga kami dito.
Ang mainit lang yung action.
Pinakamaraming beses tayo nandito sa One Arena this season. 3-point shot. Santos offering that screen. Salazar behind the back. Ang dami niyang dinaanan doon. Nagawa ng paraan. 4-2.
They need to adapt to the new system, adjust, and be ready to accept things that are introduced to them and see how will they react into those kind of close games. Balik sa'yo.
Maraming salamat, Sheila. They fell short against Quezon the last time out. Dilension. Pasa sa labas. Pasok yung tres. Galing kay Yamada. You know what the Japanese say? Sugoi.
What does that
Amazing.
mean? Talaga?
Oh. Pag nunod ka ng anime, masasanay ka sa ganyan. O ano ba yung mga ano dun? Oh, Jan Salazar! Pitch ahead. Jan. Pass broken up by Kian Baclaan. Biton will lay it in with his offhand.
For Kian.
Santos up and under, blocked by Kaimani Ladi. Escobar. Baclaan will score easily on the other side.
2 points pa rin naman.
35-32. Baclaan. Noel Santos sumugod. Can finish over Bonsubre. Ditoon. Alley-oop. Kian Baclaan.
Nakikita ko na yung gutom sa mata ni Kimani.
Escobar off the bounce. Nahanap si June Bonsubre just in the nick of time. Manny Ladi trying to keep in step. Salazar left that jumper short. Nangunguna si Kian Baclaan. Kian will lay it in 4-2.
He's able to bother any shot as long as he puts his hand up at 6'7", 6'8". Medyo talagang maraming maapekto ang tira to si Kimani Lari.
Gawa ng paraan ni Ferrer. Yung tira na yun. Baclaan seeing the gap in the defense.
Only played 4 minutes here in this game, but Kian Baclaan is able to get 9 points already.
Also piling up the points. Escobar, muntik nang mawala sa kanya yung bola. Got it back. Goes to the basket. 2 points plus the foul for Dom Escobar.
Sorry, 23 points here in this quarter.
Manny Pay, the digital wallet built for the community. Sidestep free. Signature move na yan ni JP Belenchon. Biton. Wala yung kanyang tira. Escobar goes in for the shot. 68 seconds remaining. Baclaan. Binomba pa. Dipsinu from Kian. Can't finish. Salazar. Wala. Nandoon. To stick it back in was Beltran. Biton. Lays it in. Alones. Nakawala sa depensa ni Escobar. Pumukol sa tres. Baclaan the rebound, deflected by Salazar. Out to Coach Ramil Nieves na ngayon pickleball player na, baka nanonood ka. Chris Biton for 3, short. And that concludes the first half.